tell you twice. I'm a beast for nothing. I've been so wrong, but I'm always right. And I know I'm fine. But tell you once, don't tell you twice. You bathe for the day, or bathe for the night. You not my wife. She wanna kill, so fuck all night. I wanna fuck when I die. Give me head all night. AP, big rocks. In the hood with the realest. 5K on the dinner. Bring 300 down to the dinner. I did some wrong, but I'm always right. So I know how to shoot, and I know how to fight. If I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. I'm real script, like a thief in the night.
Yo,
Yo, good.
how are you?
I'm good. How you doing? Alexa, volume 3.
I'm good, just chilling.
Shalom.
Yeah, I need a reset for real, for real.
You sound like you've been on here all day.
Yeah, I've been on here for like, what? I've been at least on streaming 4 hours.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you on the rankings?
Huh?
Did you make it to the rankings?
No, I don't really do rankings. I should though. Like, everybody always tells me to do them, but I
Uh,
don't do that shit.
you don't do that? Mhm.
No. But that's because my accounts are with TikTok agencies, right? So like
Oh,
I just wait for them to like do promotions with the TikTok agencies or when they have TikTok agency ranks. I don't
yeah.
really be doing.
Oh, that's how that works?
Huh?
I said that's how that works with the agencies?
What?
That they do promotions with you.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, someone in the agency has to invite you. There's different agencies within the TikTok agencies.
Wow. So you make
There's like different teams.
different teams?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Why is your background like that?
I don't know. I've been trying to use other effects, and this is the only one TikTok is letting me use. And I'm trying to figure out how I can switch it. It's crazy.
It's not letting you pick a different effect.
Yeah, I'm trying to do the green screen, and it's when I click it, it just freezes. It's been doing that for the last 2 hours. So,
Maybe try and putting no effect and then clicking the green screen. Shit.
all right, I'm gonna do that after this battle.
You can do it while you're in the battle, you know that.
See, I'm scared it's gonna freeze, and then I can't get back to
Oh.
the middle of the game.
I haven't battled you in a while.
Yeah, I haven't been on here in a while.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. Like, where the fuck you been at?
I actually got a new job.
Oh, for real? How you like it?
I hate
Oh,
it. I just want to be on TikTok.
but yeah, I'm thinking about starting YouTube soon.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's what's up. What you gonna do? Thank you, Jackie, for the turkey.
I don't know yet.
Chicken.
I've been getting views on here, and I know, like a lot of my friends do TikTok, and you, it, YouTube works with views, rather than likes and shit, not like TikTok and shit.
Mm-hmm.
You can obviously tell I've been on TikTok and on a while for a while, so I know what the fuck I'm doing. You feel me? But
Yeah.
like, I'm almost at 5K. Hopefully, by the end of next year, I'm at like more than 10K.
Yeah, you definitely doing your thing with the 5K.
For
I'm
sure, for sure.
proud of you. You know that?
I'm proud of you too. You're going somewhere too. You'll be up there one day. I have people now that started way after me, and I've helped them. I was their first live, and now they're like above me type of shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah, but it's all love for real. Like I love being on the positive shit. I've met a lot of dope people with like content. I know people with a lot of different content.
Yeah,
Um,
it's all love, you know.
yeah, I I've known on here for like gifting a lot. I used to go crazy with the gifts, yo.
Really?
Yeah. I've
Wow.
spent paychecks and paychecks on this shit.
Yeah.
I've spent
Started
at
off.
least more than 3,000. Like,
Woo, girl, you was doing your thing. You was doing your thing. 3,000.
yeah, it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad.
Yeah.
Dude, like, dog, like, if I'm gonna be real with you, like, after you put your bank account shit on that shit is addicting. Like, I was addicted to that shit.
Yeah. I know what you mean because I did the same thing when I first started. I was gifting like crazy, you know.
Nah, I was like, oh my god, like,
Yep. And I was promoting certain music videos I did on my other page.
I need to turn on my notifications for your content.
Oh yeah,
I've
definitely.
been getting rid of a lot of people, like blocking a lot of people and shit.
Yeah.
So I was cleaning out. But I have COVID right now, so I've been like
Oh,
in bed all day and shit.
you got COVID right now?
Yeah, this is my third day.
Wow. I hope you're taking vitamin D.
But I don't know, I feel fine besides like
Yeah, you look fine.
yesterday. It's yesterday, bro. I've been sleeping a lot though, that's why.
Yeah, that helps.
Like, I woke up at like almost 3 o'clock today in the afternoon.
Oh wow.
But it's like, I'm already tired. Like, I'm already ready for bed type of shit now.
Yeah. Well, I hope you get well soon. You don't have to go through nothing.
Yeah, but I'm trying to grind on this shit, but it'd
Mm-hmm.
be hard because I have school now, so
Mm.
I do trade.
Oh wow.
I'll be like up by 6 o'clock, you feel me? Like, before, when I didn't to go to school, I'll come home from work and be like, get in bed by 11 o'clock. And I'll
Mm.
stream for like 4 hours.
Oh,
Or maybe 5 hours.
you the champion then. You the true champion. 5 hour streams. Wow.
Yeah.
You
I
all
could really vibe with my people, okay?
yeah, that's a lot of content right there. 5 hours. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff.
Or, shit. I
You
was really
talking?
committed to my shit, and
Mm-hmm.
my page is so active, bro. Like, I post 3 times a day.
Oh, you really doing it.
Huh?
I said you really doing it, bit like you doing it how I should be doing it with the consistency. Like that's crazy.
Yeah, like, even when I'm sick, like, I've still been posting content.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
Romeo, thank you. Wow.
like, it's just now starting to pay off. And, like, at one point, like, I thought really getting rid of my shit for real. Like, I was so fed up with shit. Like, now, like, I get reported at least once a week on this shit. Like,
Yeah, they be
I'm
hating.
getting up there. Like, but, like, think about it this way. Like, I have multiple accounts, so I'm growing multiple accounts. My haters are getting me more accounts to 1 mil faster type of shit. You feel me?
Oh wow.
Like, I'm growing on more than one account. I have like 10 accounts. I have three that
Damn.
are I have three that can go live already, and I
Nice.
have like 7 other accounts.
You need
So
accounts on this site.
like I'm growing. Like I've become so good at just making counts. And within a week having 1K, that's nothing.
That's dope. You got skills.
So,
10
but I'm
accounts.
making like connections too. Like
Oh yeah, definitely. That's what it's about. Your network is your
yeah,
network.
my network. Yeah, you feel me? I have a lot of people that do music. So
Oh, you do?
yeah,
That's dope.
I'll post some of their content. Like I'll help promote them.
Oh wow. I want
I'm
to.
big on support. You show me support, you best it's coming back your way.
I love that. I love that energy. Keep that energy. Keep that same energy forever.
But like for sure, like and like a lot of my people are very genuine for me. Like you come into my life, I don't even have like they'll follow you. Like
Oh, that's
they
dope.
see you showing love, you'll get the love back. Like
That's what's up.
it's just meeting the right people. Like it's quality over quantity. Like
You know, I
there's
tell
a
people that all the time.
huh
I tell people that all the time. It's about the
quality over
quantity.
yeah.
I'd rather have 3 riders than a million, whatever.
Facts. Like today, I got my account back, this account back,
Hmm.
and bro, I had like 7 people just chilling with me,
Oh wow,
like the whole live
that's
for
dope.
like 2 hours, and then I had a different group of people for another 2 hours. Like
Yeah.
I just finished doing boxes. We were chilling in boxes for like 2 hours.
Oh wow. I like doing the boxes sometimes. Just be having conversations. It's like real dope.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
Sometimes, not all the time.
It could be good.
Yeah.
Hi guys, how are y'all?
How y'all doing out there, yo? Y'all riding with us, guys? Let's go. We got hot,
But
we got hot chocolate versus love.
no, because I used to do a lot of nightlife, so a lot of my people are night people.
They don't be up, or they night people.
Like, they'd be, like, on and stuff like that.
Yeah, me too. I'm like a vampire.
I
My,
mean, it depends. Like,
my best
today,
show
like,
tonight.
I was about to call it a night, then I seen you were on. I was like, girl, that's the thing with me. Like, I have so many people that, like, it's hard to
Hmm.
build support. Like, I can't go through my list like I used to.
Thank you so much for the support, for real. I appreciate you.
How long have you been doing TikTok?
Since January.
I first started doing it by this one Canadian girl that I
Oh, yeah.
knew. And I
Mm.
was her mod, so I gained a lot of followers like that.
Oh.
And then me and her got into shit, so then I blocked all her people that I gained from her.
Wow. You have to block all people.
Because I knew how she was coming. She wanted to say that I was gonna take her people, so I blocked her,
Oh, okay.
all of her people.
Yeah.
And then I finally came back. I had zero motivation. Then I came back, and then I started hanging out with these other people that
Well, we're glad you came back, you know?
and then I'm not cool with them anymore, so I've just been chilling on my own, doing my own shit, getting my own people.
Exactly.
But I've been part of the TikTok drama. I've been part of the hate. I've been part of all that shit. Like
Oh, yeah?
I think I started because before, you know how TikTok you could go live like once you were
Hmm.
like before you were 18 to go live,
Yeah.
but they just changed it to 18 now.
TikTok is changing everything.
But it's for legal reasons.
Oh,
You don't
thank you.
want to get sued or shit. You feel me?
Yeah, they always get sued. Jules in the building. Welcome, Jules. Thank you for those.
But it's like, the first time I went live was on my 17th birthday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So like last July. I've been on here for a while and I've been grinding. And then after that, I became known for doing like boxes and shit.
Oh,
And then after that, I became known for gifting. And then now
so you're not gifting no more? You saving them
I
checks?
gift, but
Mm-hmm.
it's more mysterious now. I don't.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing school right now, so I'm a little bit more like focused on my real shit.
Oh,
Like, you feel me?
I definitely do. What you in college?
Yeah.
How is it?
This is my fourth week.
Is it hard?
It's not hard. I'm doing trade school.
Oh, okay.
Um, so my plan is to do this for 4 months. It's 4 to 6 months, but I want to finish it in 4, and then go to this after trade school. Either do advanced training
Mm.
or do a different trade, or pick a different trade and stay there and do a different trade.
Oh, okay.
So I have 2 trades. Or if I don't do another trade, then I'm gonna do go to college to this program that I found that is it's like a boot camp. It's 6 months for digital marketing.
Mm.
And then once I finish that, which that's probably gonna be like a year and a half, or maybe even less, and then I want to do business, but I want to use digital marketing for like my platforms and shit. So like I want to do clothing brand and shit.
I'm glad you got a lot of goals.
I did not used to be like this for real.
Yeah,
My
that's
goals have changed.
like
So
you're.
Love and Music, are you going live tonight? I want to go live with you. Come live.
You want to go live with me?
No, you're in my life.
Oh,
Go
I'm
live. But not yet. I didn't used to be like that for real.
hmm. Oh, you
Like
wasn't.
I used to be like very I don't give a fuck, and then I just changed. Like my whole perspective on shit has changed. Like I'm less on TikTok.
Mm. So you would say you're getting low.
I've already been on for like 4 hours. Love music.
Wow,
If
four.
you're not gonna hop on, then not long. Because I'm low key ready to hop on. But if you hop on, then I'll stay on.
You want me to hop on?
No, you're good. Everybody's saying, goddamn, 4 hours is not a lot. I've streamed way more than that.
Yeah, that's a long time.
That's how dedicated I am to shit.
Did you take a bathroom break or anything like that? That's just straight.
Well, I was eating when I hopped on.
Oh,
My
okay.
mom brought me food down here.
Mhm. I
And
think
then I
somebody.
went to the bathroom and shit. I leave my life on.
Oh, okay. I think somebody was on here 18 hours straight, no bathroom break, no nothing. I said, wow, that is dedication.
You're gonna pull up? So you want me to stay live? Because I only stay live if you're gonna pull up. And not, then.
Jules, thank you for the likes, love. We had 1,000 likes. Mwah.
How long are you gonna be on?
I was really just testing my live. I was trying to fix this, and so I might try to like log off and come back just to see if it's working now, so I can get off
You
this.
know what you should do? You know
Yeah.
what you should do?
What?
What you should do is you have to
After what?
if you want to tap out. You funny. No, I'm good.
What they saying over there?
Pull up. No, one of my haters was like, if you want to tap out, let me know before I pull
Yo, that's crazy. He's trying to get in.
Well, yeah, 'cause I told him I'm gonna go to bed if you don't pull up. I'll be going live with him, that's why.
Oh, okay. That's what's up.
Yo, chill, yo. He did not mean it like that. He meant in like me sleeping type of shit, yo. Chill. Yo, if my chat got me fucked up. Bro, I swear my chat be wildin' sometimes.
Wilding over there. Jules, how you been, Jules? My box. Shout out to my chat. Long time no see.
Yeah, long time.
I'm in space right now, just traveling.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. That's not my man's, but relax. Calm down.
They going crazy over there for Love Teal.
Oh, yeah.
She just be chilling.
I'm big chillin' over here. What's up, bro? What's goody?
It's Honey Bee, I see you. Jules, how you been, love? I missed you.
Yeah.
Go to bed, Love Teal. Go to bed.
No, why? You go to bed. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Hurry up. Ew. Oh, you guys want to see my drawing? Look, it's still not done. I put in like 5 hours already, but look.
Oh, that's dope. Oh, shit. Oh,
He wants to. You want to lose. Want to take that L real quick before I go? No, just kidding. Just kidding. Yo, I don't.
hmm
Look at guys. What y'all think?
that's nice. She got
Fire.
skills. She
I
got
still have to
skills, huh?
color all this in though. I have to make it darker too.
Mm.
But this is already like 4 hours.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I didn't even know you had on the Santa Claus outfit. Let me see.
Santa Claus outfit? I don't have no Santa Claus outfit, mister.
I thought that was the Santa, the red jacket.
Oh, and then I wrote,
What's
I
that?
have my poetry over here next to me, but I need to like write some notes and
Oh,
some goals.
you got some poetry.
Huh?
You got some poetry.
Yeah.
That's dope. I love lyrics.
Is that Scarra's grandpa? Why is everybody? It's just a lion I found. Everybody's telling me if it's Scar or someone. No. It's just a random lion I just chose to draw.
Oh, let me ask you this: you ever gifted a lion?
No, but I've gifted like 2 motorcycles. Like I've dropped 3 motorcycles in one day type of shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, I go hard for my people.
That's dope.
And then I've dropped the Galaxy Sasande, bruh. Don't even ask me. No, don't do that.
Dope. She, she's a top gifter, a MVP.
If their baby. My number one, he's cool as fuck. That's who I'm going live with.
Oh, okay. Oh, they showing love.
Friend, hi friend.
That's what's up. Jules, thank you for tapping. I'm at 2.4K likes because of Jules.
Friend, I
Everybody,
seen you were live, friend. Friend, how you feeling today?
hey,
You need to go live more with me.
for me?
No, who else am I talking
Yeah, definitely.
to? Yeah, we gotta invite.
Yeah. We gotta do this as much as possible.
What?
Jules, thank you.
I got a phone call. What you say?
Oh no, I said we gotta do this as much as possible. Definitely.
Yeah,
I
you
like
gotta
battle.
start grinding more first.
I do,
Yeah. Hit the
yeah. Start.
pumpkin pie. Let's go, friend. Turn me up.
Jules, thank you for the like.
Look, if you want more followers, just follow my people. Like, they're all cool people. They all good vibes. If you vibe, they're gonna give it back.
Okay.
You
Follow me.
see? Look, my friend just said, my number one just said, you got my back, I got my you, friend.
Yeah, that's dope. She got good people over there. Follow her people, y'all.
Yeah, yeah. Big dog, let's go, big dog. I see you in the building. Big dog, real one too. I just met him from another friend. He cool.
People.
Of course, friend. That's how it should be, friend. You already know, friend.
Let's snipe,
You
guys.
my bestie too. I got so many besties, but like I fucking love y'all so.
Ah, man, she took my little nugget. Okay.
Y'all go show him love.
Yeah, show your boy some
Go
love.
show his page love. Turn
Yeah.
him up.
Follow Jules, y'all. She's good people.
My people are all good people, but I just had I had a lot of like people like following. Like I had my own followers with my following list, like so people could see it, right?
Hmm.
Because that's how I would help a lot of people gain genuine followers. But I had to block it because I got mad like female stalkers trying to like talk shit on my name right now
That's crazy.
because they're mad haters and they don't want to see me winning.
That's
But
crazy.
yet they stay following my guy followers who weird as fuck, bitch. Like if they're not gonna come tell me.
Exactly.
Like my followers are very genuine. Like if you talk shit on my name, they will come tell me.
Mm.
Like I text a lot of my followers on TikTok, yo, like, what's up? Like, you wanna talk your shit to my face. Instead of acting fake and being like, oh, I'm friends with you, you hearty my shit, think we're good, but then you talking shit to my friend trying to get shit from him behind my back. You
Wow.
funny bitch.
That's funny.
Bro, it's wild. This TikTok shit be wild.
Yeah, TikTok is something else.
you don't know all the shit I told you, you'd be like, what the fuck? How did you do with all that shit? You fake it until you make it, baby.
Fake it till you make it.
You fake it till you make it.
Mm. You heard that?
You fake it till you make it.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah.
Fake
How
it
was
till you.
your day though?
My day was pretty good. I'm like I ate Chinese food, so I'm like slouched in the bed. Just my stomach is full, but it was my day off from work, so I just spent most of it in my massage bed, just like getting a massage, relaxing, and taking it easy. I had a long week at work, like because I'm like managing a store, and these people accused me of stealing. My first 2 weeks in, I'm like, are you serious? Because they was looking at the cameras and they thought I was taking some food for that's worth $1.25. I was like, you serious, yo? You think I would steal something worth $1.25? Like,
I hate people like that.
yeah, like loss prevention was like, you stole a sausage egg. I'm like, listen, that was a chocolate bar. That wasn't even a fucking egg sandwich. And I put it back. And they had this whole 40-minute thing questioning me over a something worth $1. I'm like, I'm about to quit this job, yo. This shit petty as hell.
Hey,
Hey,
yo.
are you gonna say hi to my friend? Excuse you, Christopher.
Who
Yeah,
that?
you know the vibe.
What's up? What's up, dude?
What up? What up, though? Hey, what am I
Chilling.
doing here? What's going on here?
Excuse you?
Who?
You be nice.
Big Island.
You watch yourself. Watch
I'm not
yourself.
trying to look into whatever that is. It looks
I
like,
know you would like to see my beautiful face. Look.
hey, you. Hey, bro.
Anyways,
What's your name, bro? What is that? Hot what? Oh, I ain't even gonna call that out loud. I'm just gonna keep it in my head. Bro, why you got this thing, man? I feel like I
because
already
he
died and I'm trying to go to the end of the whatever. Bro got me looking into oblivion.
you
Hey, you.
you actually went live for me though.
Yo,
What?
nah, thank you for the likes. I appreciate you.
You actually went live because I told you to go live?
Huh?
I said you actually went live because I told you to go live?
You didn't tell me to do anything.
Okay.
I do what I want to do.
Hmm.
Bro, what? Who is? Hey, yo, who is doing? Who is doing that?
Yo, you did that?
I didn't do it. Island, are you doing that over there? Oh my god. She definitely doing that. Hey, yo, Island. See, I need to get up out of here. I need
No,
I need to
don't leave
leave
me.
this place.
No, you're not leaving.
What, you just discovered that or something?
No.
And
That
you
was
having
in.
fun with it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Wow. That's crazy. Give
How's your
yourself
day?
a round of applause. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. I. Okay.
Okay, no more, no more.
Yeah, that's kind of getting annoying now. Joanna with the big
Hey,
likes.
how was your day?
Yeah, how was the day, dude?
You talking to me?
Hmm.
No, who were you else talking to?
Mm. For a second, I thought you guys was talking to me for a minute.
Oh, no, we're talking to your fucking chat.
To my what?
To your chat.
Oh, chat. How was your day, chat? They said how was your day? Joanna. Um, Theo said how was your day, and that username.
My
How?
name's Island. Thank you very much. Not Theo.
I know what your name is, but
Uh,
obviously the guy you're going live with doesn't because he's calling you Theo.
No, he doesn't know my name.
So
But
I
you know
figured,
my name.
why are you trying to be a problem for me tonight?
I'm not being no problem.
Are you
I'm
tired?
vibing. Yeah, I am.
Are you home, by the way? Look at that.
uh,
Cozy as hell.
He likes
But
when I'm home because I'm more happier when I'm at home
that's
than I'm when I'm at school. I'm like two different people.
so are we battling or what? What are we doing?
Oh yeah, what
you want to battle
hey,
him?
I'm in a battle with him.
All right.
Oh, no. We not doing no 1v1 battle.
Why not?
You know what's going on over here.
I want your smoke.
I don't know why you trying to do that for.
Okay, we could do 4-way, I guess.
Yeah.
Or you want to do a 4-way?
Thank you, Joanna, for the 1K. Let's go, big Joanna. This is what we doing.
Yeah, put someone in here
This
that
is
you
how we
know.
coming. What you
Bro,
say?
bro. Put someone.
Hey, bro, you need to take that shit off, man. Right now,
He
I'm
can't,
feeling
you know.
dizzy as
It's
hell.
frozen.
Frozen, dog.
I'm feeling mad dizzy now. For real, bro. I'm
Hey, hey, no, come back. Just fix it. Come back.
Hold on.
yeah,
All right, let me see. I don't want to have no.
I feel like that shit's trying to suck me in there. And it's making my head spin, bro.
My bad. My bad. Crazy.
If
But
you keep doing that, Island, I swear to God, I'm never coming back on here with you.
No, don't stop. No more. Don't do that.
hold on. Let me see if I can change it.
Thank you. Thank
Hmm.
you. I work today too.
Hey, go back. Leave and then come back when you fix it.
All right.
Bro, she just trying to get rid of you so she could have me for all herself.
No, I'm not.
You peep what's going on, bro? Oh my God.
No, I'm not.
Look.
You're more than
Look,
welcome to come back.
look,
Just
she's working.
send me an invite. Don't listen to him.
Bro, she trying to get
Hey,
me
you.
for
It's
herself.
the love of music. Stop.
Hold on.
I'm
Let's
done
let
with
me
you
see if it
guys.
works.
Damn, that's crazy.
Will, what's up, William?
Joanna, thank you so much for the likes. I appreciate you so much for being here. Thank you for tapping the screen.
Hey, what do you like? Do you like my lion I was drawing?
Yeah, that line was dope.
Bro, you know damn well that ain't no damn lion. That look like Scar Grandpa with no eyes.
Oh wow.
Hey, you gotta speak the truth here. You know? Talking about I mean, it does look like a lion, but it look like Scar. You know Scar is already
Mm,
fucked up. So can you imagine what his dad looked like?
it's
Imagine
okay.
his grandpa. Oh my
It's
god!
okay. At least you tell me the truth, right?
All right, show it, so my chat could judge. Cause you know we are truth over here. Good.
I never said you wasn't truth.
I know that, but I
I'm
want to hear what.
I'm just saying I never said that, man. Hey, fix
Oh,
your screen, cause yeah, it's
now
getting me
she's
dizzy.
all
Getting you
nervous,
busy?
shy now.
I'm
He won't
frozen.
ever judge you.
Okay, exit and come back.
I can't even do
Now
that.
she's ignoring me. Okay.
Log out of your TikTok and come back.
Island.
All right.
Joanna wanna see. Joanna
Bye,
wanna see.
bro.
It. God, did she mute me? Ain't no way, bud. Ain't no way, man.
No, I didn't freeze you. I
Hey,
can hear you.
yo, then why you can't show us your
I
channel?
was doing something. I was talking to him. Hold on, chill.
No,
Relax.
you know you can't take anything. You can't be a. It's constructive criticism.